Hello, my name is David Rivera, and I work for Hoshizaki America. I'm also a TA. That means that I'm technical support. If you ever have to call technical support, you'll be getting a hold of me. Today, we're going to be talking about the Flaker alarms. Now we're going to talk about the one beep alarm. The one beep alarm is a low water safety. It could be your water valve, it could be the strainer, it could be the water filter that's clogged. It could also be the float switch. All these things need to be checked. We need to do a water flow test on the unit. We also need to check the float switch with continuity, and we need to confirm that our water filters are not clogged. A two beep alarm is that the machine was left into the drain position for longer than 15 minutes. All we have to do is go back to the machine and switch the machine to ice, and that corrects the problem. Now we're going to talk about alarms 3 and 4. We're going to talk about alarms 3 and 4 together because they target the same thing. A 3 beep is that the machine went off on high head pressure 2 times in a row within 1 hour. A 4 beep means that the machine went off on that 3rd time within 1 hour. Now, the things that could cause the high pressure switch to open are if the condenser is dirty, if the condenser fan motor stops running, or if there's a restriction in the machine. All these things need to be checked to be able to find what's causing the 3 or 4 beep alarm on the unit. We also need to make sure that there's no loose connections between the board and the high pressure switch. Now we're going to talk about the 5 beep alarm. Now the 5 beep alarm is one of the most common alarms on our machine. That and the 8 beep. But right now we're going to talk about the 5 beep. The 5 beep means that we didn't consume any water for a full 30 minutes. The machine has to run for a full 30 minutes and not consume any water. Now, the way that I want you to remember this alarm is that everything was running on the unit, but we didn't make any ice. We didn't consume any of that water. Now, with that said, there's only 2 diagnoses for this repair. Either it's the float switch, or there's a charge problem where the compressor is shutting off by internal overload. If the machine starts up with a 5 beep alarm, the way that I want you to address it is, remember, the machine has to consume 30 minutes of time of running before it can fault out on this alarm. So starting up with this 5 beep alarm is telling you that the alarm and the machine is faulting out right now. Without disturbing the water tank and without disturbing the float switch, we're going to check the float switch with continuity. One, we need to make sure that the reservoir is full. Once we confirm that the reservoir is full, we're going to check the float switch with continuity. There's going to be 3 wires that come off the float switch, a black, blue, and red. If the reservoir is full and without disturbing the reservoir, we're going to check both float switch and confirm that they're in a closed position. If the lower float switch shows open on startup with the tank full, the machine automatically goes off on a 5 beep alarm. And at that point, we'll be replacing the float switch. Now let's move on to the other side of the alarm, which is the charge or the compressor overheating and shutting off. Normally when the compressor overheats and shutting off, it's because the start components are weak. So we're going to address the start components and confirm that all the capacitors are within range. Now, to confirm the charge on the unit, while the machine is in the free cycle, we should be seeing about 30 and 250 on your pressures. If the machine is a remote, we're going to be seeing about 190 if it's cold outside. Anything under 50 degrees, the headmaster is going to bypass and you're going to see 190. Any pressures under 190 would be considered a low charge. And at that point, we need to address the machine like if it has a leak or if it was improperly charged. So at that point, we're going to recover and weigh in the charge.